Okay. It's time to launch this rocket up to take some pics of space. Because the stickers are loose. Okay. Just gotta concentrate. Concentrate. Okay. Let's go. Launching in 3, 2, 1, 0. Deep. Deep. Deep, 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 deep. Oh, who am I kidding, Nick? I have to go check it out. It seems that the control pad isn't working. I just have to fix it up, and it will be up in 2. Woohoo! Gotta get on top of the rocket. Excuse me for a moment. I'm over the ocean. I'm over Lego Ocean. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Oh my, it's shaking. Oh, I don't think that's good. Oh, what am I? Oh, where am I? Huh? I'm in Lego Ocean. Yippee! Okay. All I have to do is not panic because a shark is coming towards me. Excuse me for that.